Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to recover a deleted meeting in Outlook in 2026. Even if a meeting is removed by mistake, Outlook gives you a few ways to restore it quickly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook. Once you are inside the Outlook dashboard, hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of deleted items. Now, many times a deleted meeting is placed here, just like a deleted email. So you can look for the meeting invite, right click on it, and then move it to your calendar. This meeting will instantly return to your calendar. Now, if the meeting is not in the deleted items, you can just simply open the calendar tab here from the left hand side. After that, you can change the view to the list view. So once you have done that, you just have to basically look for the older or the hidden calendar entries, and you can also use the search bar here on the top in order to type the meeting title or the organizer's name. If someone else was the organizer of the meeting, you can ask the other person to send the or resend the meeting invite. So once you receive the link, you can accept the meeting and then it is going to appear here in your calendar instantly. In the new Outlook, you can also open the settings. Here in the settings, you can go to the calendars tab. You can select the option of recently deleted events. You can restore the meetings with one click if it appears here. Now, if the meeting was a part of the recurring series, you can open any remaining instance. You can click on the option of series and choose the option of restore. After recovery, you can refresh your calendar once to make sure that the meeting is fully synced. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.